one trick I do want to show you really quick, and let's hide the other cat because we didn't line that up yet. So he was using a bone deformer, and that's on this cat here. I wouldn't go with the bone deformer. I think I'm going to try out a curve deformer. So I am in Harmony Premium. So grab the rigging tool, and I'm going to have my base down here at the bottom. Click and drag up a little bit, just a little, very little. And then from the top, drag more. So in theory, if I go to my transform, a little more cat-like, I think. All right, so basically I can drop in, let's turn my animate on, drop in a keyframe. I'll simply press F6, and then maybe by frame 20, I can go over here. All right, so that's just a little sneak peek of stuff I'm going to be playing around with. And I'm also going to be messing around with some of the creatures that Chris and I are going to come up with and playing with some audio. But the bottom line is we're going to be doing a couple of things in Toon Boom. Next week isn't all about Toon Boom, though. We've got people who are going to be showing us what they do in Flash. We have Mr. Chris Georginas, aka Keyframer Mud Bubble. We also have Ibis Fernandez, who's going to be showing us some stuff in Crazy Talk, which is now, I think, called Cartoon Animator. We also have Steven Silver, who's actually going to be showing us some character design using Mischief. And there are a lot of people, I'm like leaving out a lot of names, but seriously, I reached out and found different people. Oh yeah, Mark Simon's going to be showing us some storyboarding with Storyboard Pro. And it's like a lot of different things people talking about starting off in the industry. What are the legalities of starting your own animation company? I just talked to someone today, Carrie Tupper, where we talked about, hey, here's how you could actually not only create your own stories, but how would you even go about pitching those on something like Kickstarter? So it's going to be a pretty awesome festival. Be sure, again, go to animationsummit.net and sign up because it's going to be awesome. Besides, it's kind of like me having a little birthday party and you're all invited. So yeah, spread the word.